Imagine walking through your house, and every room holds the answers to your exam. No, this isn't a Harry Potter spell. It's real, and it's called the memory palace. Studying for exams can feel like stuffing your brain with spaghetti, messy, tangled, and falling out the sides. But what if I told you there's a proven, ancient technique used by memory champions to remember anything, and it's actually kind of fun? Welcome to the world of the memory palace, where your imagination becomes the ultimate cheat code for exam domination. How it works? Step by step. 1. Choose your palace. Pick a physical location you know very well, such as your house or apartment, your route to school, a favorite park or campus building. The more familiar the place, the better. 2. Define a logical route. Mentally walk through the place in a fixed order: front door, hallway, kitchen, bedroom. These will be your loci or memory slots. 3. Associate information with places. Now, convert the information you want to remember into vivid, unusual, or exaggerated images and mentally place each image at a location along your route. For example, you need to memorize the bones of the arm: humerus, radius, and ulna. In your hallway, imagine a humerus clown juggling bones. In the kitchen, a radius, is playing loudly. In the bathroom, you picture an owl, ulna, perched on a mirror. The more bizarre or emotional the image, the better it sticks. 4. Walk through and recall. To retrieve the information, mentally walk through your palace. At each spot, recall the image you placed there and decode it. Why it works for exams. Leverages spatial memory. Humans are naturally good at remembering locations and spaces. Reduces cognitive load. Organizing facts spatially helps chunk information. Engages imagination and emotion, which improve retention. Helps with recalling lists, definitions, sequences, or even full paragraphs. Practical example: studying for a history exam. Let's say you're memorizing key events of World War II. You choose your school building as the memory palace. Front gate, Treaty of Versailles. Imagine a giant scroll blocking the gate. Main hallway, Hitler rising to power. A small man standing on a stack of books shouting. Library, Invasion of Poland, bookshelves being bombed. Cafeteria, Pearl Harbor, waves crashing through the tables. Classroom, Hiroshima, glowing mushroom cloud on the teacher's desk. Now during the exam, mentally walk through these locations and recall each event. Tips for success: make your images weird, funny, or emotional. Plain is forgettable. Stick to one topic per palace for clarity. Use this method for facts, speeches, formulas, lists, or essay outlines, combined with spaced repetition for long-term retention. So next time you're cramming for exams, don't just study harder, walk through your mind like a palace. The answers were in your hallway all along. Your brain is bigger than you think. Now go conquer those exams, room by room.